Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by signing in. That's the fastest way to see what iCloud holds. Enter your Apple ID and password, then complete any two-factor verification. On iPhone or iPad, go to Settings, tap your name, then iCloud to see synced apps. On Mac, open System Settings, right arrow Apple ID, right arrow iCloud. If you prefer a browser, go to iCloud. And sign in. This step connects your device to Apple servers, making your files, photos, and backups visible and manageable immediately. Once signed in, inspect each iCloud app to understand what's stored and why it matters. Open Photos to review synced pictures and videos, then iCloud Drive to browse documents and folders. Mail, contacts, and calendars show synced communications and events. On iCloud. Click icons. On your device, tap app names. Use the search box and folder filters to narrow results and preview items before downloading so you avoid duplicate copies. Make note of large files and folders that are prime candidates for local download or deletion. To finish, download or share files you need locally. Select items, then choose Download or Share and pick destinations. Free up space by opening iCloud storage settings and deleting old device backups or large files you no longer need. Make sure backups complete after changes. If something is missing, confirm you're on the same Apple ID, that the relevant toggle is on in iCloud settings, and that sync has finished. If problems persist, restart the device and sign out of iCloud, then
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.